Hey guys, today we're cooking our delicious mac and greens. It's quick, it's easy, and it's gonna work for dinner and for lunch the next day. First things first, you're gonna wanna get some panko breadcrumbs and grill them.
Okay.
That's gonna make the topping. Back here we have a pan full of salted water and we're gonna get some pasta on the boil. We're gonna use a colander and we're gonna steam our greens at exactly the same time. Now we're gonna make a creamy bechamel sauce. Okay, so we've got 70 grams of dairy-free butter.
Yep.
And we're just gonna let that melt.
Plain flour?
Going in. We're gonna just keep stirring that until it's all combined, and you really wanna get that flour cooked off. We're gonna add just a little bit of our dairy-free milk. We're gonna keep adding the liquid more and more slowly.
The trick is here, just carry on stirring.
Patience, keep stirring, work those biceps. It's probably logical to get a whisk involved.
This is looking like a really good sauce.
But right now, it is gonna be pretty flavorless.
Yeah.
So we've got a load of flavorings we're gonna add in. This is gonna add a cheesy flavor. It's also gonna thicken the whole sauce. It's gonna make it taste really delicious.
Oh, you can feel it getting thicker ever so slightly.
Yeah, look at that. Time to move on with our pasta. The macaroni, which we drained before, ready to go. Our steamed greens right here, to which we added a little bit of cauliflower, which we forgot in the first instance. But there was some cauliflower went in there too. If you did want to make it a little bit less carby, a little bit more healthy, you could absolutely substitute this macaroni for whole wheat pasta. That is looking perfect. One more thing, we have our panko breadcrumbs from before.
Generous portions, seeing as we've got such a lot here.
I think you'd want to pop this in the microwave, really. You really want to eat it cold. We've got broccoli, we've got carrot, we've got green beans, they've been steamed. So we're going to go in with the panko breadcrumbs on top of the mac and greens. Nuts and seeds. Again, the seeds are going to give us those omega-3, it's going to make us really healthy, and it's just going to add a little bit of colour and crunch to this dish.
Forks at the ready. This is a very tasty, tasty meal.
And a 15-minute meal. Well done, mate.
Thank you. Boom.